How long do home cleaning robots typically last?
Most home cleaning robots last between 4 to 6 years with regular use and proper care. This includes popular brands like Roomba and Roborock. Lifespan can vary depending on usage frequency, household environment, and how well the robot is maintained. Understanding the factors that influence durability can help you get the most value from your investment.
What affects the lifespan of a cleaning robot?
Several factors determine how long a cleaning robot lasts. Quality of components, maintenance routines, battery care, and environment all play a role. Operating on clean floors, keeping brushes and sensors clear, and avoiding overuse or obstacles can extend its lifespan. Replacing worn parts and batteries also helps keep the robot running efficiently.
How important is maintenance?
Regular maintenance is crucial to a cleaning robot's longevity. Simple steps like emptying the dustbin, cleaning brushes, and checking for tangled hair or debris can prevent wear and tear. Manufacturers often provide guidelines on monthly or weekly upkeep. Neglecting basic maintenance may reduce performance and cause early breakdowns.
Are batteries a limiting factor?
Yes, battery performance significantly affects how long a cleaning robot is useful. Most robot vacuums use rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that last about 2 to 3 years with regular use. Many robots allow for battery replacement, which can extend the overall lifespan of the device beyond the original battery's life.
When should you replace or repair a robot?
Consider replacing your cleaning robot if repairs become frequent or if cleaning efficiency drops noticeably. Most robots are designed for routine repairs, such as replacing brushes or batteries. However, if the cost of repair approaches the price of a new model or software support ends, it may be time to upgrade.
How can you maximize your robot's lifespan?
To get the best from your cleaning robot, follow manufacturer maintenance advice. Use the robot as recommended and store it in a clean, dry place. Avoid obstacles, regularly update software if required, and promptly address issues. These habits can help your home cleaning robot provide reliable service for several years.